Hello everyone, today I'm going to be exploring an abandoned waterfall. There's plenty of people around. Look at that. Wow. Yeah, we got some still water over here. Wow, look at that. We've got proper still water up here. That is incredible. Alright, let's explore. Whoa. Go on. Do. It's actually really good. Let's keep going. Wow. Look at that. Let's keep going. Oh wow, look at that. That pipe there, I don't know if you can see it, but that's where water used to come out, flow down there, into there, and into there and there. Crazy. That is insane. That is insane. That is insane. I don't know if it will ever be reopened. It's very infected with the brain-eating amoeba, I believe. That is like crazy. Yeah. That is crazy. Well, that's all it really has to offer. It's not really a massive explore, but it is one. Look at that. Still water. You even got still mud, which is amazing. That's cool. You got this bridge here as well. And you've got to have the rest. Okay, let's go down here. Alright. Alright, look at this. Wow, look at this. This is where the water used to fall from. And it'll fall down there and go there towards that lake. That is incredible. That is amazing. That is amazing. Look at that. Look at that, that's a drop and a half. Let's get down. Okay, it's not as bad as I thought it would be. Look at that. That is incredible. Well, that's pretty much everything. Alright, let's go. Okay, that is nasty. That looks absolutely disgusting. Really, let's try and get out. That is the nastiest water I've ever seen. Ow, these plants really want to hurt me for some reason. And we're back up there. Back up here. That is incredible. Look at that. Well, thank you all for watching. This was a cool explore, and I'll see you all very, very soon. Make sure to like and subscribe if you enjoyed, and comment if you would see more.